today we are going to make tutug oncom rice.
If you want to know how to make it, please keep on watching.
The ingredients are
Kampferia galanga, oncom, granulated mushroom bouillon, oil, we have basil leaves, some shallots, 1 pieces of tomato, red chilies, and white garlic.
and we need 2 scoops of rice.
First, we need to heat the oncom until the color becomes caramelized. We need to stir it until the color becomes brownish, but make sure it doesn't get burned. Heat it for about 2 minutes and then take it from the pan. We insert the chilies inside the blender to be mixed, 2 pieces of garlic, and 4 pieces of shallots.
And then we mix it in the blender. And then add a little bit of oil.
And then saute the mixed spices until fragrant.
Until it's already fragrant, add the oncom. And then add the sugar and salt.
Salt the seasoning inside the oncom mixture. After the mixture is done, we add the rice inside the pan. And then we mix it together until the oncom sticks with the rice.
And ready to serve.
And for today's drink,
We are going to make
es bojong. Here are the ingredients that are needed to make es bojong.
first we need cincau, and then full cream milk, avocado, syrup, and coconut.
For the coconut, we want to take the meat of the coconut, so we have to cut the stalk first and then take the meat, scoop it from the inside. Once we open the coconut into half, we peel the meat like that.
And then cut the meat into slices.
Avocado, we cut into half.
We scoop the avocado from the skin. And for the grass jelly, or we can call it cincau, cut into dice.
So in order to serve the es bojong, first we need a syrup and a glass. We pour the syrup on the bottom of the glass. Then add the avocado and the coconut.
And then put the grass jelly.
And we pour the milk.
some ice inside the glass.
And it's ready to serve.
Ready to serve.